Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I got a haircut. I got it cut today. Me and both of my girls got our haircut today, and that's not what I came here to talk about. I have a huge Grove Collaborative haul for you guys this summer. I'm not exaggerating at all when I said this summer was crazy busy. This entire year really. But I have 3 Grove Collaborative orders that I have yet to haul or put away. So I decided to just combine the last 3 months of Grove orders for you guys so you can see what all I got. So 2 of these boxes are smaller, 1 is larger because it has larger items. But if you want to see what I got from Grove, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start with the first box, like the order they came in. And this is a monthly subscription. You can skip months and things, but I usually don't because I usually run out of laundry detergent. But because we haven't really been here that much lately, I haven't been going through detergent like I normally do. And because of our foster kids moving, that's 5 people that I haven't had to do laundry for this last month. So I'm not going through it quite as fast. So yeah, that's why I haven't put this stuff away yet. I wanted to do a video and show you what I got, so I was just holding out till I had time to film, and it's been a while. So anyway, please forgive me. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this first box. This is a full circle bamboo dust pan and brush set. This is just, you know, when you're sweeping your floor and you want to scoop up that dirt and throw it away from sweeping. And let's see, soft edge helps capture more dust. Built-in comb to clean brush bristles. Interesting. Oh, okay, here's the comb. Most of those have that. Hangs or stands on edge for easy storage. Earth-friendly materials, safe for you, non-toxic. Responsible living, sustainable choice. Next thing I got were these Cora organic tampons. These are the regular absorbency, and there are 16 tampons with compact applicators in here. So I will say I use mostly She Is organic tampons, but I hadn't tried this brand and I'd heard of them, so I decided to give them a try and see which one I prefer. So I'm going to try these out and let you guys know which one I like better. But if you're interested in the She Is organic ones, I'll leave those linked below. And if you're interested in the Cora ones, I'll leave my Grove Collaborative link below and you can order yours there. The thing I got is this full circle soap dispensing dish brush. I needed a new one, and this one dispenses soap. I guess you just pull this end piece off and put that in there. I don't know. There's like all kinds of little things on this. The head is replaceable. It stands upright for quick drying and easy storage, and dispenses your favorite soap, and it is non-toxic, made with earth-friendly materials. Okay, the next thing I got was Grove Collaborative Crystal Clear Replaceable Glass Cleaner. So this is just for cleaning your glasses, and I had ordered the replacement head. I meant to order this last time and I just ordered the replacement, so I thought I would better go ahead and buy this so I can use that replacement eventually and actually get to try this out. So yeah, this is just for cleaning your glasses. The next thing I got is super cute. My mother is the queen of organization and cleaning. I wish I got that same gift and talent from her. I know how to do it. It's just getting motivated to do it is my problem. Anyway, she has done this for years. She will get a little bucket and put her cleaners in it and carry it around her house as she's cleaning. And I decided to buy the little Grove Collaborative bucket. It's so cute, and you can just put your cleaners in it and carry them from room to room as you're cleaning your house to make it a little easier on you. Thought it was adorable. It's not super big, but like if you're cleaning your bathroom, you can put your glass cleaner and your toilet bowl cleaner and your whatever else, rags, whatever you need in there. Next thing I have in here is this Aunt Fanny's Ant Remedy. Kid friendly, microbiome friendly, ant unfriendly. And this is safe, hardworking, microcosmic. Interesting. So, we are microcosmic. Each of us is our own microbiome with gazillions of invisible allies that keep us safe and strong. Even natural products can disrupt it. Stay safe and be strong with Aunt Fanny's. Modern products, millions of years in the making. Okay, get rid of ants and other creepy crawlies without carpet bombing your home in conventional chemical pesticides. Easy and highly effective, Aunt Fanny's keeps your living space free of pests and concern. We make our products with ingredients made by nature. Residential and commercial use, non-staining formula, microbiomic ingredients. Active ingredients on the front, and it has cottonseed oil, clove oil, and myristic acid, potassium oleate, potassium stearate, soap, and water, and glycerin. So that's what it's made of. So I don't know exactly how this works. I guess the clove oil is the main thing that they don't like, but in Georgia, ants are a problem. We haven't had any this year, but last year it was a nightmare trying to get rid of them, so I'm hoping we don't have an issue with them this year, but usually they come inside during the winter. So I'm hoping this will work if that happens again. What I have is this Grove Collaborative Mint Castile soap made with organic coconut and olive oil, and you can use this soap for anything: hand soap, body wash, let's see, shampoo, pet shampoo, household cleaner, anything pretty much that you would need soap for. And I did get this one for free for spending a certain amount, I believe. I don't know, it's been a while since I ordered this box, but I'm pretty sure I got this for free. The thing I got is this Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Lavender Automatic Dishwasher Packs, and there are 20 in here. That was everything for this first box. So I got some more of these organic tampons. I don't remember reordering these, so I'll have to go back and check on that because I never did try the first box, so I'll have to double check because I don't remember ordering another one, but sometimes that happens. Yes, actually I remember changing my order quite a bit. I don't know. I'm not sure what happened. I think it just resent some things like the next month because I hadn't made any changes, and it just sent some of the things I typically get. So this is a Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Lemon Verbena Toilet Bowl Cleaner. And next I have my Mrs. Meyers Lavender Laundry Detergent. All of that box. So this is this month's box. This is the one where I actually went in and changed my order for what I wanted this month. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is this bamboo prep board by Grove Collaborative, and it's just a bamboo cutting board. And our prep board is made of 100% bamboo. It's just sustainable material that's ultra durable, easy on knives, and naturally antibacterial. If you didn't know, bamboo is naturally antibacterial. That's what makes it so expensive to do like bamboo flooring in your home, things like that. This base, efficient yet mighty board makes easy work of everyday slicing, chopping, and cutting. The thing I got is this Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Automatic Dishwasher Packs in the basil scent. I got my husband one of the Preserve Shave 5 razors made with love and recycled plastic. And then I got 4 5-blade cartridges to replace the head on this for him. And I just bought him another razor at Walmart yesterday because I forgot I'd ordered this. So he's going to have plenty of razors to last him a little while. The next thing I have is this Aunt Fanny's Fly Punch Fruit Fly Trap. Get rid of fruit flies fast, safe near food. Grade, power, non-staining formula. It is non-toxic. Again, this is the same brand as that ant remedy stuff. I got this because we have been having an issue with fruit flies lately, and I can't figure out where they're coming from. I think they were coming from our guinea pig bedding or cage because she hadn't cleaned it as often as she should. So yeah, we had to clean that out, and hopefully this will help get rid of the last of them. The next thing I got is this Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Rosemary Fabric Softener. I got this Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Rosemary Laundry Detergent. That is everything for my huge Grove Collaborative order. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you saw some things that you want to try to possibly start, you know, making the change or making the switch to a more non-toxic, all-natural way of living, less chemicals in your home, around your kids or yourself or your spouse, just to improve your health and overall well-being. So anyway, I love Grove Collaborative. I can't say enough great things about them. If you want to try them out, I will leave my link below. You do not have to use it. It is a referral link. So yeah, I'll leave that below. I do get a little commission off of referrals. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can go to their website on your own, but that is one way to support me and my channel. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. Bye.